Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a four-star Sudoku. In our additional of today's newspaper on Friday, November the 15th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the 4 stars Sudoku. 4-star Sudoku number 9599. Well. 9599. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the 4-star Sudoku in additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1 2, 2 3s. No. 2 2s, 2 3s, 3 4s. How about the 5s? 3 5s, 3 6s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 3 9s. So it's divided. 7. Need 7 here. Let me think. Need 3 here. Need a 4 here. We have a pair. The 3 and a 4 in this column. The 3 and a 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left where the 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes and here 4, 4. Need a 9 here. In this row, we need a 9. These 2 boxes can be 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, Here or there. We see another 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left 8 should be there. 5, 5. 1, 1, 1, 1. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. 1, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left, the 5 should be there. Need a 9 here. 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in the first column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9, 9. No 9 here. No 9 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left on the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9, 9. Need a 4 here. 5, 5. Need a 5 there. Come on. 6, 2, 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. And look, We have 6 and a 7 in this column, so no 6 and a 7 in this box. 6 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 2. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4 in the first column. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3, 3. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place left for 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Well, in this big, we have 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 4. Then here 2 numbers left, the 7 and 6 then. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. So we need a 6 there. We need a 7 there. I think the 7 should be here. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. Here or there, we see our 7 in one of those two boxes. In this second column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. We have a... Well. 1. Need a 1 here. Come on. Need a 1 there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. And look, we have 1 and a 5 in this column, so no 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there, so 1 digit left. In this big square for number 8, 1 box left in this first row for number 1. 1, 1. Need a 2, need a 3 here. 2, 3, and I need a 8. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need an 8 here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place level 1 should be there. 1, 1. 2 numbers left now. In the middle column, for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there, 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left the 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 5. Okay. Then, let me see. 2, 8, 3. In this big square, we need a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those two boxes in this column. 3 in the second column, in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 and 6. 2 numbers left. Oh wait, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 7 and 6, we have 6 now in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and 7. We have 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left. In this big square, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Then 7 or 6, we have a 6 there, so this box should be a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so third row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Okay. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, on last column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 8 and then 9. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. Alright. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then let me see, 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between the only place level 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so in that column the only place level 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square. For number 1, the 2 is missing. Then 8 and a 3, we have an 8 now in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. 12 minutes. Wow, again. Speedy, yes. Not a 4, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.